How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. As you can see, we got a bathtub that is plugged up. See if that stays. All right, let's see. What do you guys think? Hair? Probably hair. Here goes nothing. Got a little whirlpool there. That means we did our job. Put this back. We're gonna run some water while I pull it out, see if we pull anything out with it. It's coming back fairly easy. We got nothing. Tiny bit of hair, but that's it. No hair apocalypse. But as you can see, everything's running good. Alright, so nothing really interesting in this one, just a simple plug bathtub, cleared it up with the K39, and everything's good to go. We ran the water, tested it, everything's looking good. So this has been Jay, that drain guy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Taragna.